Stop. If you're thinking about buying EtsyEmpire AI, there's something you need to know first. EtsyEmpire AI is a world's first complete EtsyEmpire builder, one AI system that finds profitable niches, creates professional printable designs, writes the listings and even auto-publishes them to Etsy. No design skills, no manual research, no Etsy experience needed. You click one button and the AI instantly uncovers profitable niches, generates 20 to 50 designs, writes keyword-optimized titles, descriptions and tags and publishes them directly to Etsy. So here's the big question, is EtsyEmpire AI really the future of faceless Etsy businesses or just another overhyped launch? In this review, I'll show you exactly what EtsyEmpire AI is, how it works, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. Plus, if you decide to grab EtsyEmpire AI through my link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package worth $599 absolutely free. What is EtsyEmpire AI? It's a complete Etsy business building system that handles every step, start to finish. iNiche Discovery Engine, Full Design Generation Suite, Etsy Ready Listing Builder, Suggested Pricing Engine, Bulk Export Machine, Auto-Publish Scheduler. Portfolio Dashboard, Multi-Platform Publishing, Etsy, Redbubble, Amazon Merch and more, and commercial license included. Benefits, why people are interested. Automation, one click to complete Etsy listings. Profitable niches, AI finds low competition opportunities. Commercial license, publish under any shop name, keep 100% profit. Lifetime access, pay once, use forever. Inside EtsyEmpire AI you're getting ranked niche discovery engine, competition and gap analysis machine, AI design generator, 20 to 50 designs per run, SEO copywriting engine for titles and descriptions. Tag and keyword optimizer, fills all 13 tags, category placement system, bulk export machine, portfolio dashboard, multi-format publisher, Etsy plus other platforms, auto-publish scheduler, commercial license included and 30-day money-back guarantee. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros. Complete EtsyEmpire Builder, not just a design tool, beginner-friendly, no skills required, unlimited designs, unlimited niches, commercial license for royalties and client work and one-time payment, lifetime access. Cons. No guaranteed income, results depend on niche and consistency results, what to expect. Expect faster publishing, more consistent listings, and a growing portfolio of income-producing assets. Side hustlers. Build faceless Etsy shops. Entrepreneurs. Scale multiple shops across niches. Agencies. Offer Etsy listing creation as a service. EtsyEmpire AI turns every design into a digital rental property that keeps paying you month after month. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab EtsyEmpire AI through the link below. Bonus 1 DFY Etsy Niche Blueprint, value $299, step-by-step roadmap to launch your first profitable Etsy shop in 30 days. Bonus 2 Viral Etsy Listing Vault, value $300, 500 plus proven templates for titles, descriptions, and tags that rank higher and sell faster. Total bonus value, $599 yours free when you get EtsyEmpire AI through my link today. So, is EtsyEmpire AI worth it? If you want to stop guessing at niches and start building a faceless Etsy business with unlimited designs and listings, then yes, EtsyEmpire AI is absolutely worth it. Click the first link in the description to secure EtsyEmpire AI plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next review.